Okay, this is my one disclaimer. I have never hooked this up before, and this is the one item I have never watched Eric hook up. That's the backhoe. What he's doing right now is there's a creek that runs right through here when the winter thaw comes through, and it takes out a good portion of this road. So we're gonna dig a trench right along the edge of the road and try and redivert the creek down to our nearest culvert. He tried to kind of fix this last year in the springtime and made a big mess of it. That's why it's all rutted up, because he tried to fix it. It was the middle of startup season and it just didn't work at all. I think he got it. Nope. There for the path. So right here, this is going to be a collection pond because it's a low area. So everything coming off from right here, right there. This is actually a creek that runs through there, and then it's going to hit this trench and hopefully travel down to the culvert, where it's going to pool up, and then it's going to follow out down that way.
the crane. Be the crane. Be the crane.